To make Disney Pixar movie posters, first of all you need to have Bing application, which you can download from Play or App Store. I have already downloaded the application. After downloading, open the application. Now here you will find Image Creator option, from where you can create images from words with AI, so click on this option.
Now here you have to type your prompt. You can start with a Disney Pixar-inspired movie poster with the title, and then give the title according to your preference, and then describe what you want in a movie poster.
And now click on Create. If you haven't created your account, then it will ask you to make your account first. Or you can also log in with your existing Google account. Now just wait for a few seconds until it generates your movie poster. Now here are your movie posters. If you are not happy with the results, you can click on Create again, and then it will show you some different results. Now after getting your movie posters, you can download them easily and it will be saved in your gallery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.